Artificial intelligence, AI, is the new frontier. Be the first to get ready for the future. Are you a career changer, furlough, university graduate, working professional? No problem. Boost your career with AI. Become an artificial intelligence business analyst. Thanks to the pandemic, the world as we know it has changed forever. The demand for artificial intelligence analysts is high, growing and about to explode. Cash in as an AI-focused business analyst. Learn in-demand skills and get out of career crisis. Artificial intelligence is still uncharted waters. Come, learn, earn. Get your AI business analysis career started the right way. We offer you a path into two domains. On the one hand, in the AI domain, learn AI architecture, Google Dialogflow infrastructure, conversational design, bot lifecycle engineering, machine learning, NLP, AI use cases, bot persona crafting, journey mapping, and user stories documentation, voice technology. On the other hand, in the business analysis domain, learn stakeholder management, requirements management, product backlog, UI, UX design, data analysis, process mapping and operating model shaping, domain analysis, agile and scrum practices. Become more marketable with critical core skills that mean you shine in any sector you enter. Our program pairs extensive expertise in business analysis with real-world projects and virtual simulations to help prepare you to work on dynamic AI projects. Join us every Saturday this month and get ready to grab the best opportunities in the digital market. Click the link in the below and join us at our exclusive free learning event to discover how you can combine the two powers of business analysis and artificial intelligence to your advantage. Pivot into a profitable IT career today.